Hello, everyone. Let's take a quick trip back in time with the simple past tense. This tense is all about actions that started and finished in the past. Whether it happened a minute ago, yesterday, or years ago, we use the simple past tense if it's finished. For example, yesterday I walked to the park. The important word here is yesterday, which tells us when the action took place. In the sentence, I visited Brazil last year, the time expression last year tells us when this occurred. To form the simple past tense for regular verbs, we add ed to the base form of the verb. For example, talk becomes talked. However, there are many irregular verbs that do not follow this rule. For example, go becomes went. Remember that the simple past tense is used to describe actions that occurred at a definite time in the past. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for joining me today. Happy learning! Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful videos. See you next time!